SmoothMove is the American moving industry's go-to solution for the restoration of moving van trailer and truck body floors. A typical SmoothMove application takes less than 2 hours from start to finish and involves 4 steps. 1. Prepare the floor. 2. Mix the SmoothMove. 3. Apply the SmoothMove. 4. Return to service in 24 hours. Before you start, be sure you have the right kit for the job. Key Polymer SmoothMove is available in kit size for typical 28, 48, and 53-foot closed moving van trailers and truck bodies. Here are the tools you'll need for the job. The kit includes the SmoothMove, gloves, stir stick, squeegee blade, roller, and instructions. You will need to provide a screwdriver to open containers, broom handle for squeegee and roller, a shop vac, masking tape, and brown craft paper and a piece of chalk. Depending on the floor's condition and your maintenance standards, you may need a floor steam cleaner and a belt or drum sander. For the very best results, take 5 minutes to read the instructions included in the kit. Before application, store the kit at 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 24 hours. If the work area is less than 65 degrees, warm the trailer beforehand with a torpedo heater. Remove the heater from the trailer before starting the job. The temperature must be between 65 and 85 degrees when you apply SmoothMove. At higher temperature, the product may cure before the installation is complete. SmoothMove will not cure properly if the temperature is colder. Step 1. Prepare the floor. Carefully inspect the trailer floor. Structurally unsound floors must be repaired before applying SmoothMove. Replace any missing or rough boards and screw down loose ones. Clean the trailer floor by vacuuming to remove loose dirt from cracks and delaminations. If the trailer floor has oil buildup, it will be necessary to steam clean the floor, allowing it to dry thoroughly. Steam cleaning may leave a fuzzy surface that will be removed when sanding. For best results, use a commercial-grade drum or belt floor sander to remove old finish and smooth the application surface. Thoroughly re-vacuum after sanding. If the trailer floor has metal sections, mask these off with craft paper and masking tape. And walk the length of the trailer marking cracks or holes that show daylight. Fill all daylight gaps with Key Polymer crack filler. When completed, use any excess crack filler to fill gouges in the wood. Crack filler will effectively seal cracks and splits up to approximately 1/4 inch wide without running out. There is a separate installation tip video with instructions for the crack filler. Crack filler is not necessary if there are no daylight holes and gouging is minor. If crack filler is applied, you can proceed immediately with the SmoothMove. There's no need to wait for the crack filler to dry. Step 2. Mix the SmoothMove. Now you can begin mixing the SmoothMove kit. Pour 1 part B container into part A container and mix for 5 minutes with the stir stick provided. When mixing, be sure to scrape container sidewalls as you stir. Make sure the mixture is a uniformly blended color without streaks. Step 3. Apply the SmoothMove. Pour 1/4 of the mixed SmoothMove across the floor at the nose of the trailer. Use the squeegee to draw the SmoothMove back. Draw the SmoothMove back 4 to 5 feet from the trailer nose with an even, firm motion. Work the material into the screw holes, delaminations, and wood. Always go with the grain. Before the last pass, remove any excess material from the squeegee by rubbing it clean onto an untreated section of the floor. Make one final pass over your treated area with the squeegee, applying firm pressure. The SmoothMove will soak into the wood and between the boards, reinforcing the original laminations. Use the roller provided to smooth out any squeegee drag lines or any areas where excess material is pooled. Pour the rest of the SmoothMove you've mixed across the floor where you left off and continue the application. When all the mixed SmoothMove has been used, prepare the second half of the kit and continue the application. Make sure the trailer is kept at least 65 degrees for a minimum of 24 hours to ensure a cure. In winter, if the trailer cannot be kept in a heated shop, use a cargo heater or torpedo heater before and after the application. If there is any residual tackiness, the SmoothMove may not be fully cured. Just run the torpedo heater for a few hours to finish the cure. Key Polymer SmoothMove, the unique technical solution for the restoration and reinforcement of wooden floors in the moving industry. SmoothMove is distributed by leading truck and trailer parts specialists throughout North America. To locate your nearest dealer, or if you have questions, please call 978-258-7110 or email us at sales@keypolymer.com. For complete details on all Key Polymer transportation products, visit keytransportationproducts.com. Key Polymer SmoothMove, the unique technical solution for the restoration and reinforcement of wooden floors in the moving industry.